Good morning, students. Today I'll be explaining you the last part of chapter number 8, that is multiple and factors. Okay, students, the last part is the co-prime numbers. We've already finished problem set 34. I've sent you the video previously on this. Today we will complete the last part of the chapter, that is the co-prime numbers. Okay, I'll explain you what are co-prime numbers. Okay, so here also there is a conversation between Dada and Anju, where Dada is explaining Anju what are co-prime numbers. Okay, now let's see. Tell me all the factors of 12 and 18. Okay, Dada is asking Anju all the factors of 12. Okay, so Anju says 12 is divisible by 1. Number 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, students, that means 12 comes in all this table. It comes in one table also, two table also, 3 also, 4 also, 6 also and 12 itself also. Same way he is asking the factors of 18. Means 18 is divisible in how many tables? That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Getting me, students? The factors of 12 and 18 are this. That means 18 also goes in all these tables as well as 12 goes in all these tables. Now from these factors you need to find out the common factors. Okay, the common factors are 1. Can you see 1? Then 2, then 3, then 6. Okay, all these are common factors. That means 12 and 18 are commonly divisible by this 4 numbers. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 common factors basically of number 12 and 18. So Dada says 1, 2 and 3 and 6 are in both groups, which means that they are common factors. Now tell me the factors of 10 and 21. Okay, now he is asking the factors of 10 and 21. Now 10 comes in 1 table, 2 table, 5 table and 10 table, and 21 comes in 1 table, 3 table, 7 table and 21 table. Okay, so these are divisible by this numbers. 21 is divisible by all these numbers and 10 is divisible by all these numbers. So basically in this group there is only one common factor if you see. Okay, only one is a common factor of these two numbers. So that means the numbers which have only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Are you getting me, students? What are co-prime numbers? The numbers which have only one, okay, only the digit 1, only the number 1 as its common factor, only those numbers are called co-prime numbers. And the numbers which have more than 1 as its common factor, it is not called as the co-prime numbers. Okay, so the factors of 8 are 1, 2 and 4 and 8, and the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So again these numbers have two factors, 1 and 2 in common. So 8 and 10 are not a co-prime numbers. Okay, so basically, students, the main thing you need to know is the numbers which have only 1 as its common factor, it's known as the co-prime numbers, and the numbers which have more than 1 as its common factor, it is not called as the co-prime numbers. Okay, students, you understood this explanation part. Now I will explain some sums to you, okay, of problem set 35, and the rest you will solve it on your own. You will try to solve it on your own, students. Okay, so now we are solving problem set 35. I will solve two sums for you to explain what is co-prime numbers, and then you will solve the rest sum in your rough book. Okay, so in this problem it is determine whether the pairs of numbers given below are co-prime numbers. Okay, so you have to now determine whether this two pair of numbers are co-prime numbers or no. Okay, so what you are going to do is, first thing you are going to write the factors of 22. You need to write all the factors, all the numbers which are divisible by 22. That is 1, 2, 11, 22. All these numbers, it's divisible by 22, means 22 comes in all these tables. Okay, then factors of 24 is 1, 2, it goes in 3 table also, 24 comes in 4 table also, 6 table also, 12 also, and 24. Okay, now you have to find out the common factor. Okay, the common factor. Okay, now which are the common factors? You see 1. Okay, 1 is there in both the groups, so 1. Then 2 is also there, so 2. You can see any other? No, any other is not there. So 1 and 2, it has 2 common factors. Okay, so the tagline, the statement you will write, there are 2 common factors of 22 and 24. Therefore, 22 and 24 are not co-prime numbers. Getting me, students? Okay, this way you have to solve the sums. Okay, now I will again solve the second sum also for you. Then the rest you will find out by yourself. You will try, you will practice in your rough book. Okay, again I will solve the second sum also for you. Let me see that this pair is a common factor, is a co-prime number or no. So first thing you write the factors of 14. What are the factors of 14? It's 1, 2, 7 and 14. Getting me, students? Then factors of 21. It's 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay, now you write the common factors. What are the common factors now? See, 1, yes, 7, yes. Getting me? So again there are 2 common factors. So again you write there are 2 common factors of 14 and 21. Therefore 14 and 21 are not co-prime numbers. Understood, student? This is the way you solve the sum. So now rest you will solve on your own. You will try in your rough book and practice. And if still you don't understand anything, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the live sessions. Okay, students? Thank you.